Hello and welcome back to all the lovely students. Uh, Today we will do our chapter number 8, the cherry tree. As we all know that half yearly is finished and now we will carry on the syllabus of second UT. This story is in two parts. Now we are doing part 1. Now I will go through the story and explain you it each and every line. Now have a look. First of all, let me summarize the story. This is a story of a boy named Ramesh, and he used to live with his grandfather. Now have a look. One day when Rakesh was 6, he walked from the Masuri Bazaar eating cherries. They were a little sweet, a little sour, small bright red cherries, which had come all the way from the Kashmir Valley. And the boy, what was his age? He was 6 years old. He used to walk from Masuri Bazaar, and from there he used to take some cherries, and the color of the cherries were red, as we all know, and they were very bright and red, and the taste of the cherries were a little bit sweet and little sour, means khatta or meetha, which had come all the way from the Kashmir Valley, and the cherries were available to him from the Kashmir Valley, means वो कश्मीर वैली से आता था. एंड एज वी ऑल नो दैट लिटिल किड्स, हम लोग भी जब छोटे थे, इवन आप लोग भी अभी भी, यू यूज टू लव दीज काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स, है ना. Here in the Himalayan foothills where Rakesh lived, there were not many fruit trees. The soil was stony and the dry cold winds stunted the growth of most plants. And in the Himalayan foothills, वो hills पे रहता था, तो then what was the condition over there? The soil was very stony and always cold winds used to blow, so growth नहीं हो सकती थी वहाँ पे plants की. But on the more sheltered slopes there were forests of oaks and deodar. But in some areas where people used to take shelter, they have made the soil a bit fertile for the growth of oak and deodar. Rakesh lived with his grandfather on the outskirt of Masuri. And what is the meaning of outskirt? Means outer part. He used to live with his grandfather just where the forest began. Grandfather was a retired forest ranger. He had a little cottage outside the town, and his grandfather was a retired forest ranger. They were having their cottage outside the town. Rakesh was on his way home from school when he bought the cherries. He paid 50 paisa for the bunch. I think you people must not be knowing about 50 paisa. हमारे टाइम पे चलता था. Means 250 paisa makes 1 rupee. Rakesh, when he on his way to home, he used to purchase those cherries, and it took him about half an hour to walk home. And by the time he reached the cottage, there were only 3 cherries left. And now what happened, on his way to home, it took half an hour, उसको आधे घंटे लगते थे to reach home, and he has finished all the bunch of cherries. Only 3 cherries were left. Have a cherry, grandfather, he said, as soon as he saw grandfather in the garden. And after seeing his grandfather, he has offered the cherries to him also. Grandfather took 1 cherry and Rakesh promptly ate the other 2. He kept the last seed in his mouth for some time, rolling it round and round on his tongue until all the tang had gone. And after that, grandfather took 1 cherry and he quickly ate the remaining 2 cherries. And the seed of the last cherry he kept in his mouth and kept it until all the taste has gone. करते हो ना आप लोग भी? इमली के बीज मुंह में बहुत देर तक नचाते रहते हो. Then he placed the seed on the palm of his hand and studied it. Then after taking it out, he has taken the seed in his palm and started looking at him. Are cherry seeds lucky? asked Rakesh. और वो खुद से क्या बोलता है कि they are lucky or not. Means everything we used to, इस एज में we used to compare all the things with our luck, whether this is going to be good for us or bad for us. So he was doing that thing only. Of course, nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. And after hearing his queries, grandfather has replied that nothing is lucky and unlucky, but if you if we want our luck back, then we must preserve the things, we must keep it in check. That's why he has asked him to, indirectly he has asked him to save the things. What can I do with a seed? Plant it. And he has asked his grandfather that what is the use of a seed. Then what was his answer? His grandfather's answer? He replied that we can plant it. Means हम इसको plant कर सकते हैं soil में. So Rakesh found a small spade and began to dig up a flower bed. Hey, not there, said grandfather. I have sown mustard in that bed. Plant it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed. And after listening to his grandfather, he has started digging up the soil near the flower bed. And after that, when his grandfather has seen him doing these activities, he has asked him not to plant that cherry tree over there, but instead of that he has asked him to plant that near a plant where it must not be disturbed. Rakesh went to a corner of the garden where the earth was soft and yielding. He did not have to dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb, and it went right in. And he has followed the instruction of his grandfather, and he has gone over that place where his grandfather has asked, and there the soil was very soft. बहुत soft था वहाँ पे soil. So he did not need to dig that soil. उसको digging करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. And what he has did, he has just pressed it down with the help of his thumb. उसने अपने thumb से उसको ज़मीन में डाल दिया. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends and forgot all about the cherry seed. And after finishing his lunch, he went out to play cricket with his friends, and in the meantime he has forgotten all about the seed that he has digged into the soil. When it was winter in the hills, a cold wind blew down from the snow, and well, woo 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 means woo 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 is the sound of the wind in the deodar trees, and the garden was dry and bare. And in the meantime winter came, and during the winter cold winds used to blow from the deodar trees. And what was the sound of the wind? Woo woo woo. In the evening, grandfather and Rakesh sat over a charcoal fire, and grandfather told Rakesh stories. And in the evening they used to sit together near the fire, as we used to do during winters. And grandfather used to tell him the stories about people who turned into animals, and ghosts who lived in trees, and beans that jumped, and stones that wept. These kinds of things used to happen only in imagination. Means all the imaginative stories he used to, or even all the children used to love the imaginary stories. And in turn Rakesh would read to him from the newspaper. Grandfather's eyesight being rather weak, Rakesh found the newspaper very dull, especially after the stories, but grandfather wanted all the news. And after going through the stories, he used to read the newspaper for his grandfather, because grandfather's eyesight was very weak. Although he didn't love this activity, because after listening to the stories, imaginary stories, ghosts and magic, all these things used to happen in these kinds of stories, he rather found it very boring. But then also he used to do it just because his grandfather used to ask for for the news, these kinds of news. They knew it was spring when the wild duck flew north again to Siberia. Early in the morning, when he got up to chop wood, wood and light a fire, Rakesh saw a V-shaped formation streaming northwards and heard the calls of the bird clearly through the thin mountain air. And uh, I think you have heard about the birds, migratory birds. What they used to do? They used to go to the areas where the temperature is quite during the winters now, when the atmosphere when the things are very cold over there in the mountain areas, what happens, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है. Then what they used to do, they used to flew to the areas where the weather is quite moderate, and after the winters they used to return back again. And when in the morning when he got up to chop wood, जब वो चॉप करने गया था वुड को, for what, for lighting the fire, he has saw a V shaped formation. मीन्स बर्ड्स आपने देखा होगा जब वो स्काई में फ्लू करते हैं तो एक तरह से वी शेप में फ्लाई करते हैं. वो पहले सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं और वो धीरे 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 करके लेस क्वांटिटी में होते हैं, तो वो क्या शेप हो जाता है, वी शेप्ड हो जाता है. एंड he was even able to hear the chirping of the birds also very clearly, because they were passing through the thin mountain air. One morning in the garden, he bent to pick up what he thought was a small twig and found, to his surprise, that it was well rooted. He started at it for a moment. He stared at it for a moment, then ran to fetch grandfather, calling, "Grandfather, come and look, the cherry tree has come up." And once in the morning he has saw some twigs were coming out from the soil, and he was very surprised to look that it was a cherry tree, and he has called his grandfather to have a look of the cherry tree. "What cherry tree?" asked grandfather, who had forgotten about it. "The seed was planted last year. Look, it's come out." And his grandfather has asked that which tree he was asking about. Then he has replied that about the cherry tree which he has planted in the last year. Now it is coming out, means उसमें से क्या निकल रहे थे, पत्ते एंड ट्विग्स निकल रहे थे. Rakesh went down on his haunches while grandfather bent almost double and peered down at the tiny tree. It was about 4 inches high. And then what happened? Grandfather, he has bent out to see the tiny tree. And what was the height of the tree? That was about 4 inches. वो करीब 4 inches की थी height उसकी. "Yes, it's a cherry tree," said grandfather. "You should water it now and then." And after seeing it, the grandfather has replied that yes, it is a cherry tree, but for its proper growth he need to water it properly. Rakesh ran indoors and came back with a bucket of water. "Don't drown it," said grandfather. Rakesh gave it a sprinkling and circled it with pebbles. "What are the pebbles for?" asked grandfather. And after that he went inside and brought a bucket of water. And his grandfather has said that don't drown it. And he has asked him to sprinkle the water, means small thinly distributed amount, means proper. The meaning of sprinkled is a small thinly distributed amount, means slowly we must water it. Otherwise if we just put all the water on it, it is going to spoil. And he has also brought some pebbles for privacy, said Rakesh. And what was the use of the pebbles? He wanted to border the tree so that it can grow properly. He looked at the tree every morning, but it did not seem to be growing very fast. So he stopped looking at it, except quickly out of the corner of his eye. And what happened? So he has begun to do. He has begun to look it very frequently in the morning. But what happened? He found that the growth of the tree was very slow. बहुत स्लो वो बढ़ रहा था. तो फिर वो क्या था? That was contrary to his expectations. Means उसके expectation से अलग था. That's why वो क्या उसने क्या किया? He has left that activity और वो कभी कभार फिर देखने लग गया. And after a week or two, when he allowed himself to look at it properly, he found that it had grown at least an inch. That year the monsoon rains came early and Rakesh plodded too. Now what is the meaning of plodded? Walked slowly with heavy steps to and from school in the raincoat and gumboots. Ferns sprang. Now ferns means flowerless plants with feathery leaves. Ferns sprang from the trunks of trees. Strange looking lilies came up in the long grass, and even when it was not raining, the trees dripped and mist came curling up the valley. The cherry tree grew quickly in this season. Now after that season, the monsoon season came, and what happened? As we all know that during monsoon all the trees grow very quickly. Rakesh used to wear his gumboots and raincoat when he used to went for his schools. जब वो स्कूल जाता था तो वो अपने रेनकोट और गम्बूट्स पहन के जाता था. And he in mountain areas what we used to see that when after the rains ना जो उसके droplets रेन के जो drops होते हैं वो प्लांट्स पे जम जाते हैं. आफ्टर रेन ऑल्सो वो क्या करते हैं? जब उसमें से फॉल करते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है, इट सीम्स दैट इट इज़ रेनिंग, एंड ऑल्दो इट इज़ नॉट रेनिंग. एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट सीजन many flowers used to grow such as lilies. The cherry tree also during that time the growth of the cherry tree was also very quick. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वो बड़ा हो रहा था. It was about 2 feet high when a goat entered the garden and ate all the leaves. Only the main stem and two thin branches remained. And what happened? It grew, although it grew 2 feet, but once a goat entered in his garden and he has eaten all the leaves, and what was left? Only stem and 2 thin branches. Never mind, said grandfather, seeing that Rakesh was upset. It will grow again. Cherry tree are tough. And seeing that he was very sad, Rakesh was very sad, and to console him, his grandfather has said that we must not worry about it because the cherry trees are very tough. It will again grow from that stem and 2 branches only it will grow, so no need to bother. And rest of the story we will learn in the second part. Okay, bye bye students.